Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix blue screen error code 0xc000000e on Windows 11, 10. First method is boot with bootable CD or USB. Click Next, click Repair your computer. Click Troubleshoot, click Startup Repair. Second method is boot with bootable CD or USB. Click Next, click Repair your computer. Click Troubleshoot, click Command Prompt. Type bootrec space, /fix mbr. Type bootrec space, /fix boot, if any error follow the next command. Type bootsec space, /nt60 space, sys. Type bootsec space, /fixboot. Type ccolon. Type cd space, boot. Type attrib space, bcd space, -h space, -s space, -r. Ren space, bcd space, bcd.old. Bootrec space, /rebuild bcd. Type A. Exit and start Windows 10. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.